complications, no second thought, just hands up, hands up.
Okay, hi, it's me, I'm back, haha. And today, I guess we're just gonna be organizing my shoes and handbags, which go in these little cubicles here. To be honest, I just took everything out. I actually counted my shoes for the first time in a very long time, and I have 94 pairs of shoes. That's heels, boots, and flats. I have about 9 pairs of sneakers, so that includes like my active trainer, and then just like the other miscellaneous trainers that I wear. I didn't include any like flip-flops or like slides and stuff. I literally just more like wear out shoes and sandals that like I wear out places basically. Also, there's some stuff that I'm keeping for what reason I have no idea, so I would rather just like get rid of it now, even if it is in good condition. If I'm not using it, why am I keeping it? So yeah, so just like hang with me as I organize my little section over here. Beautiful like cupboard from Take-A-Lot that I bought. I'm actually going to insert a picture of it, and it's got mirrors all the way down. I've got 2, and I just put my shoes in there so it can stay within my living space and still look aesthetically pleasing, but at the same time I'm storing my shoes in my living space. Also, I've got shoes underneath the rail in my living area as well, so if I can reduce the amount of shoes that are there as well, I'll be really happy. So fingers crossed I get rid of a lot of stuff. Let's do this. So far, these are the handbags that I will not be keeping. So just a few of them. This one, I'm actually keeping the plain black and white version of this, but I'm giving the blue and white and black away.
Those were the days we used to run. Hands up, straight for the sun. Just conversation, no second thought. Our hands up, hands up. I wouldn't walk away if they asked me to. I'll live another day just to spend with you.
So I'm not sure if anyone's noticed, but I haven't been on social media for a while. I'm 7 days in with no Instagram, no Twitter, and no Facebook. Like, honestly, I never thought I would be this person. No social media, like WTF. But it's actually been really good. I'd like to say that I've been constructive and been like productive. No, I'd like to say that I've been extremely productive. I haven't, but I think it's given me a nice time out, you know. But you know, we focus so much on what's online, and I did do a social media detox diary where I went through every day and I just like jotted down my thoughts, what I missed, what I didn't miss, and whatever. And you know, it just made me realize that ever since, like Instagram in particular though, ever since I've been on Instagram, and I've been on Instagram since like 2009, I think. Ever since I've been on Instagram, I haven't been off. Maybe it's 2010, I don't know, either 2009, 2010, somewhere there. But ever since I've been on Instagram, I've never taken a break from it. And I think it's important to also acknowledge that different people use Instagram differently. And because for me, because this is what I do, blogging and sharing myself like that online, I post a lot more frequently than the average person. You know, I'm very focused on these stats of what I'm posting. So it became like so much of me just focusing and worrying about all these things. And like, I've never thought of myself as a numbers person, and I still maintain that, like, you know, I'd rather have 5 followers that really enjoy what I'm doing than 1 million followers that are, you know, don't really care, or whether I'm there or not, it doesn't bother them, kind of thing. And I don't know, I just kind of like felt I needed a break, and I'm happy that I'm doing this, you know. And I was actually going to do like a vlog update on all of it, but I think maybe, like, I don't know how I'm gonna go about, you know, other than the blog post talking about my social media detox. I don't really know how I'm gonna like structure the whole thing, because yeah, as I said, I'm only 7 days in. I think it's gone well. I spent so much time aimlessly like scrolling on Instagram that I didn't really, you know, what was I really doing? Like, some of it was like, what were you doing, you know? But yeah, 7 days in, guys. No, I can't believe it. Like, I've been so good though. I haven't even been tempted to download the app again. I delete the app off my phone, and that's it for me, kind of thing, you know. Yeah, anyway, so it's just like, I don't know how to describe it. Anyway, I'm really happy. As you guys can see, like up here, I'm not entirely happy with it, to be honest. I feel like I could have done better, but for now it's a work in progress up here. The black stuff, I was gonna put it on this shelf, but I thought maybe I'll put it here, and then I'll put like tan stuff here and some animal prints and things, I'm thinking, over here. And then what I'm gonna do is the balance of what's left is gonna basically go up there. I was gonna go with the top 3 cubicles first, but I just decided, you know what, let me work with this first and make sure like all my handbags and stuff are out the way, and then I can kind of like figure out what's left and then figure it out up there. Yeah. I'm wearing the Fenty foundation today. I have not worn it basically since trying it when I bought it. I've got 2 bottles, so I've got 270, which is too warm for me. I have to mix another foundation in with it to make it work on my skin. And then I've got 260, which is what I'm wearing today, and 260 seems to be like the right shade for me. I did see a bit of like grayness around my mouth, but I did try and just conceal that to make it like okay. But yeah, but I really like it. Like, I'm looking in the mirror like over here, and your girl's popping. Also, my highlight is popping. It's a mixture of things. but it's mainly the Urban Decay Afterglow, which I love. Anyway, let me get back to what I'm doing, guys. Like, see, this is why I didn't want to talk, and I just wanted to like speed through the whole thing because I just like talk and talk and talk. And I've got some music. I've got such jams playing. Like, my playlist is lit. It's like my beach playlist, which is like the best playlist. It's got all this like urban Latino music, a lot of like the latest music, some hip hop, some like dance stuff. But it's just such a vibe. Such a vibe. Like, I love it. Anyway, let me just, I need to like put these right here. Let's see. Okay, so this is like the update for what's happening. So I've completed basically all of this, and then I just need to get over here, which is the last little bit that I have to do. So it's obviously like the next day. I am not feeling well today, hence I didn't even bother with the face beads. I kind of just felt like, what ifs, it's chill. Let me just finish this video quick, and then I can just rest and spend my last day at home, relaxing basically. This is done. I have no shoes on the floor in my living room anymore. My little shoe cupboards with the mirrors on them, which I will insert a link and a picture for you guys so that you know what I'm talking about, because I did buy it on Takealot. Both of those are full, but there's still space for more shoes. Yay. I got rid of a total of 21 pairs of shoes. So that does include sneakers, because I got rid of 1 pair of sneakers. So technically it was 20 pairs of shoes and 1 pair of sneakers, which means I'm left with 8 pairs of sneakers and 74 pairs of shoes, including flats, excluding obviously, as I said, my slides and my fluffy slippers, Havaiana, stuff like that, because those are kind of like separate. But yeah, I feel good. I'm happy. I got rid of 9 handbags as well. So 9 handbags are gone. I think this is aesthetically pleasing. I mean, for me, I feel like it looks good. It's what I want. Next thing I actually have to tackle is my vanity, because my vanity is so disgusting, guys. It's a problem. Sunny's actually like tackle that next, but for now, thank you guys so much for watching the video. As I said at the beginning of this video, I know I've taken a break from Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and stuff, and I just obviously haven't been posting, but I am obviously back. I just feel like I want to have a refreshed attitude towards social media, because I feel like where I'm at in my head in terms of social media is not exactly the most positive place, and I just want to, you know, breed positivity and bring more positive stuff into the world. And I hope this is the kind of content that you guys are interested in and enjoying and all of that. And for those of you who've been wanting a home tour and all of that, I hope this kind of like satisfies you guys a little bit, because this was obviously just like my open closet that I did. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and also give me a click on the subscribe button if you want to see more of what I've got. And as always, leave any comments with whatever you want to say down below. I missed you guys so much. I missed, actually, one of the things that I hated about doing this, because I wasn't on social media, was like doing little polls on Instagram. Should I keep this? Should I not keep this? And stuff. So I really did miss Instagram in that instance, where I felt like I like to interact with you guys in that way and get your opinion on like some of the choices I'm making in terms of like what I'm keeping and my fashion choices and whatever. But I just got rid of it. I just trusted my gut and I got rid of what I wanted to get rid of. So anyway, enough of that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Those were the days.